Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Activision ID. So if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Activision website. So you can just come across to Google and just Google Activision. And then from here, what you want to do is just come to the homepage at activision.com. And then what you're going to want to do is log into your account. So if you click onto the login button, which is up here in the top right hand corner, and then you'll be taken to the sign in screen, which looks like this. So you just want to go ahead and enter your Activision account details. So just your email address and password. Like so. And then just click to verify that you're not a robot, and then click the sign in button down here. So once you've logged into your account, you'll be taken back to the home screen. And from here, what you're going to want to do is come to the top right hand corner, and then click onto profile. And then from here, it's actually very easy to do. What you want to do is come to the left hand side and click onto basic info. So where you got these boxes, this one that says basic info, just go and give that a click, and then you're going to get a box come up with your personal information. And then from here, you'll see at the very bottom, you've got one which says Activision ID. And you can see my current ID and a edit button next to that. So all you want to do is go ahead and click this edit button. And what they're going to do is just send a code to your email address, and that's just to basically verify your account. It's like a quick security check. So what I'll do is just run and grab that code. Okay, so I've just put the code in, and what's going to happen, it's going to take you back to this screen. So again, you just want to come and click onto basic info. Normally it does do this every time you try and change something on your profile. And as I say, it's just really like a security check. So if we come back to basic info and now click onto the edit button again next to Activision ID, you'll see what's going to happen. We can go ahead and change that. So just a quick note that you only get two changes you can make to your username, and basically your Activision ID, as it says here, will not be updated until after logging out of your account. So just bear that in mind, that if you've updated it on here and then you go to play a game, for example, and it's still showing your old one, it's just literally because you haven't logged out of your profile on here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and change that to whatever you want. And then once you're happy, you just want to click this blue save button here, like so, and then it's going to ask you to input your password just to verify the change. And then click the blue submit button like so. And you'll see that's been changed now. I've just got it changed to Cooker Creature, obviously before I add the hashtag and all those numbers afterwards. And once we're happy, what we can then do is come up to the top right hand corner, go and click this logout button. And then if we use our Activision ID now to play anything, if we do it on the PC or the Xbox, if you've got it linked, for example, you'll see that the new username should be showing. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.